Ever wondered how the future would look like if your smartphone could fix itself? It's a tantalizing concept, isn't it? This is the future that self-healing technology promises to deliver. As we speak, technology is advancing at a breakneck speed, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. We're on the brink of an era where our devices, including our smartphones, might possess the ability to self-repair. Just picture this. You drop your smartphone and the screen cracks. An all too familiar, heart-sinking moment, isn't it? But what if your phone could mend itself, just like a living organism healing a wound? This isn't a far-fetched sci-fi concept, but a very real possibility that researchers are tirelessly working towards. The potential applications of this technology extend far beyond just smartphones, encompassing everyday devices we use. The future of technology is indeed exciting and full of promise. Imagine never having to visit a repair shop for a cracked screen or a broken button ever again. What if I told you that your smartphone could one day be like a starfish regrowing its lost limb? Now, that's a leap of imagination, right? But that's essentially what we're talking about when we discuss self-healing materials. Just like a starfish that can regrow a lost limb, these materials can heal or mend themselves when damaged. They're designed with a built-in ability to repair their own structure, a trait inspired by biological systems. How does this work? It's all about the molecular level. When a material gets damaged, the molecular bonds break. However, in self-healing materials, the molecules are designed to respond to this damage. They move, connect, and reform bonds, effectively knitting the material back together. It's a little like a starfish's cells dividing and regrowing to replace a lost limb. So, in essence, self-healing materials are the starfish of the technological world. Now you might be wondering, how does this magic